Dodge recently unveiled the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak, a customizable version of its high-performance three-row SUV announced in August 2025. This edition builds on the popular Durango SRT Hellcat by lifting restrictions on factory options, allowing buyers to create one-of-a-kind builds for more than 6 million combinations. Orders opened on August 13, 2025, with deliveries expected in the fourth quarter, starting at around $81,990 for the base Hellcat and adding $995 for the Jailbreak package. It offers personalization without the high costs of luxury bespoke programs. The Jailbreak appeals to enthusiasts who want the Hellcat's power in a tailored package, while the standard SRT Hellcat remains available for those preferring a straightforward setup. Power comes from the familiar 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, producing 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque. Connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest three-row SUVs. The AWD system distributes power effectively for traction in various conditions, from highways to light off-road paths. Fuel economy is around 11 mpg city and 16 mpg highway, reflecting its performance focus. While the chassis shows its age with some body roll, the suspension tuning keeps it composed, and the engine's roar provides an engaging drive. The exterior customization sets the Jailbreak apart. Buyers can choose from 6 factory colors, plus a custom color program for nearly any shade imaginable through Dodge's concierge service. 6 wheel designs, including 20-inch options with machine face and dark pockets, pair with 5 dual stripe choices, 6 badge colors, and 4 brake caliper hues. Brembo high-performance brakes ensure strong stopping power, and SRT black exhaust tips add to the aggressive stance. The result is a muscular SUV with bold lines, wide stance, and performance-tuned all-wheel drive that handles daily driving or track days. It's designed for versatility, towing up to 8,700 pounds and seating up to 7 passengers. Inside, the Jailbreak offers flexible seating in 5, 6, or 7 passenger configurations, with 5 leather color options, including Laguna and two-tone designs. Seatbelts come in 4 colors: black, hammerhead gray, red, or sepia, and an exclusive Jailbreak badge is stamped into the carbon fiber trim. The SRT Alcantara steering wheel, optional suede headliner, power sunroof, and Harman Kardon audio system add comfort. The cabin is driver-focused with a large touchscreen for infotainment, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, though advanced safety features like adaptive cruise are limited. Cargo space is generous, with room behind the third row for everyday needs. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak fits into Dodge's lineup as a way to extend the Hellcat legacy amid shifting to electrification. It echoes the Jailbreak programs on past Challengers and Chargers, giving buyers control over details like stripes and interiors. Production is allocation-based at select dealers, ensuring demand is met without excess. For families or individuals wanting muscle car thrills in SUV form, it combines seating for 7, towing muscle, and personalization. Overall, the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak delivers straightforward performance and customization in a practical package. It's built for those who value power and individuality without complexity.